Alright, so we are back again. Hello everyone, where we would be talking about dictionary and its different functions. Alright, so hope you have practiced all the previous videos. If you haven't, I would really request you to do that first because we need to know about it. Alright, so let me just comment these so that you don't have to, or maybe let me uncomment it and let me just make one more Python file, dictionary 2. All right, so over here we would be talking about the changing and adding elements in the dictionary. All right, so let's just bring back that my dictionary from here to here. All right, oops. All right, and let me just, yeah, perfect. I'm sure you would be able to see this now. So first of all, if I want to update, like let's say my age is not 24, my age is 100. I want to update this. So what will I do? First of all, what do we need? We need to update it. So what do we need to update? We need to update my dictionary. Which element do we need to update? We need to update age, right? And what do we need it to update it into? That is 100, right? Oops, I wrote double equal to, it will be single. All right, so if I write this, if I write down a is equal to print I am doing some issue. Right. Now let me just print my dictionary. And let's see if it is working. Yeah, see, the age has been updated. So this was basically for the updation. All right. Now the next thing which we need to do is to add the item. Add the item. Let's say I want to add my address over here. So what I'll do, I'll just simply write down my dictionary. What do we need to add? We need to add the address. So simply I'll write down the key over here, that is ADDRESS, and let me just write down a simple address like no way lane. Okay, no way lane. I live here. So again, if I try printing my dictionary, let's see if this has been added or not. So let me just quickly run it and see, I have my address added. So this is how you add something, add an item to the dictionary. Now, let's say if I want to now remove something. So there are many ways we can remove a particular item in a dictionary by using pop method. This method removes an item. We provide the key and returns the value. Okay, then we have pop item, where pop item method can be used to remove and return an arbitrary key value item pair for the dictionary. All the items can be removed at once using the clear method. So there are many methods. Like we can also use the del keyword to remove individual items or entire dictionary itself. All right, so now let me just quickly remove the elements from the dictionary. But before that, let me just create a dictionary quickly, and let me just name it squares, right? Squares. Let me just write down squares, and simply squares is equal to 1. What's 1 to the 1 square? 1. Okay, then 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. All right, so this is our dictionary over here, and let's just remove one element, and let's use pop for that. All right, so for that, what we'll do, I'll just simply write down print squares dot pop. Which element? I want to pop the element 4. So what has been popped now? Squares, and from squares the 4 has been popped now. So let me just quickly just try printing squares, and let's see if it works or not, if it has popped it off or not. See, we do not have it. That means it has popped 4 and 16, the whole key value, both. Now, there was one more function which I told you before, and it was known as pop item. Pop item, I-T-E-M, item. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll quickly just try using that as well. See, pop item is already here. Let me just write down 5, 25. This is what we want to remove. Let's see what it does. Like we have given this, it'll give us an error. It takes no arguments. That means if you do any mistake, it will tell you what is your mistake. You need to understand Python. And what's popped? The last one is popped from here, which is 5 and 25. All right. And now if I write down squares dot clear, and if I print squares after this, have a look. It'll just give you an empty dictionary. But if I write down delete del, you remember I was talking about del keyword. So if I write this down, and then if I write down squares, and if I try printing again, and let's see if it gives us an error. See, squares is not defined because at the end we are deleting the whole square and it doesn't recognize what exactly squares are. All right, so what, just going through it again, if you're writing pop, you need the key element. Key, this is the key, this is the value, this is 5 is the key, 25 is the value. Similarly over here, age is the key and the value against this is 24. All right, cool. So now I hope you understand this. Let's quickly proceed to the next part over here, that is known as okay, I told you about this as well. All right, so membership test, that is about membership test. So we can test if the key is in the dictionary or not using the keyword in. Okay, so I'm just quickly just taking this small dictionary from here and putting it over here again so that we can just quickly try out some membership tests over here itself. All right, so I'll just name SQ squares 2. Okay, squares 2 is equal to the same dictionary which was there. I'm putting it same over here, and let me just simply print 1 in square 2. All right, we are checking for square 2, and let me just try running it. See, true. Yes, I have something known as 1. Let me try with 45. Do we have this? No, right? So it will say false. That means we do not have it. We can also try one more thing, that is not in. Okay, if I write down not in, that means 45 is not in square 2, right? That is true, so it works fine, right? So this is how you do the membership test, that whether that key is present in the dictionary or not. All right, so now these were the few of the main topics which you need to know about in the dictionary. One more thing is there, that is for loops. Okay, for loops in, if I talk about dictionary, the for loops, how to use for loops with the dictionary. So let me just copy this, and we will be using this in the next section. Till then, practice this whatever we have done, and we will be meeting together in the next video. Have a good day.